Here's how to convert MP4 videos into WEBM video. So I created an app, it's called ConvertSave, and it does exactly that. Converts and then saves. So we can drag in MP4 video, you can drag in multiple or just one if you want, and then you go to select output and we're going to find WebM. WebM sometimes takes a little longer to convert, but all you have to do is click convert and it will save it right next to wherever that file came from. So ConvertSave is an offline file converter that I created with my brother, and it does files, it does images, video. So if you're interested, there's a link in the description down below where you can download ConvertSave, or just go to convertsave.com. So there we go. We've got our WebM video. It's been saved right next to the .mp4. I actually used ConvertSave to create the WebM videos that are on the ConvertSave website. They were exported in MP4, I converted them to WebM, and then we uploaded them to the site. So I use ConvertSave, and hopefully you find it useful too. Link in the description down below. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.